Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today we are doing the weekly in my home planner for November, the week of the 15th through the 21st. So let's get started. But we are going to start with this side first, like I normally do. I take one side at a time. So we need our ruler. So I normally put my menu of what I'm having for the week on the first column. So we're going to divide that into half. I think that's probably half. And then on this side, which is the 16th, I normally end up covering that up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do big numbers over here. So this would be the 16th. And we'll skip that, and we come down here. This is the 18th. Now we need to go ahead and color this in. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on fast forward so you don't have to watch me do this. Okay, everyone, I finished putting the numbers on both of these pages. Now I'm just erasing the pencil marks. And I hand drew the numbers, so of course there's going to be some irregularities. They're not perfect, but they're good enough for a calendar, right? Or a planner. The books that we'll be using is the Happy Planner Memory Keeping sticker book, the Journaling sticker book, Black and White, Seasonal Fall sticker book. This is a new one that I purchased not too long ago. And then another new one is MOJO JoJo Plans Autumn Boxes. I love these. This is another one that I purchased. It's nothing but boxes in autumn colors. I also have her black boxes. I love these. So if you're interested in any of these, I will put them in the description box below with the links. Okay, so we're going to get started with our sticker pack here. We're going to have a nice, beautiful sticker box right here on the left-hand side, right under the date. This is a gorgeous metallic sticker from that Seasonal Fall book, and I just love the colors on them. Then we're going to place another blank box on top of that to layer, to give it a nice layered look. And this is where I'm going to put my top three. Right over on the right hand side is where my menu goes, and we're going to start with a label on top of that, and we're going to right menu on here. And I only put 3 dots on here for the main menus that I cook. I cook 3 days a week, and that's Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays are leftover days. So we're only going to have 3 dots here on inside this box. Okay, we have this beautiful lined box sticker from that MOJO Plans JoJo sticker book, and I think it's gorgeous. It matched perfectly with the blank box of stickers that came from the Happy Planner. And I'm going to put a nice little quote on top of here that said, "It's fall, y'all." I thought it was perfect, and I'm not sure if I want to place this pumpkin here. It seemed like it's in the way if I place it on top where I want, so it's a little bit too big. I think I'm just going to wait and see. So this long line box holds all of my to-dos, specifically for the week. It's not like, it's different from the chores and things that I do on a weekly basis. These are to-dos that comes up that I want to get accomplished in the week. Since we cover up our dates listed on the calendar, we need to replace those. So I'm going to place Tuesday on top of the big numbers on the 16th, and I think it's Thursday on the 18th. And then we're going to do the same on the second page. And now we're placing this beautiful quote sticker from the same fall seasonal sticker book from Happy Planner. We're going to do it on the left hand side. No, on the right hand side. I think it looks better. And we're going to add a few leaves just to dress it up a little bit. I have a series going on now on my channel that is called An Organized Thankmas, and it goes through the process of my planning, my inventory, and my setup and everything for the holidays. And I kid you not, it works, especially for me. It works for me. And I'm quite sure some of the tips and tricks that I have in that series will work for you. So check it out and let me know what you think. And the reasons I'm putting dots here instead of putting the dots that I have there is because this space down here, I'm trying to save my dots. I'm being stingy. And I didn't, and another reason is I didn't account for here. I was thinking I was going to put numbers instead of dots. But I figured that going by the rest of the layout on the planner page that I would do dots on this side too, down here instead of the numbers. So But yeah, put in the comments, how early do you start your Christmas and Thanksgiving, or I should say holiday planning? And put in the comments and let me know, how early do you start? Because like I said, I start as early as January. I kid you not. And I love it because everything is done, it's planned out, and it's so refreshing to not have to rush to do things. Okay, so we are going to finish with this page for now. I might do something else with it, but for now we're done with that page. So we're going to go to the next page. But yeah, I find it very relaxing when I start early. We're going to start with Friday, and we're going to draw a line to separate the date and the other space into two. And then we're going to go to Saturday, and we're going to divide that space into 3 spaces by drawing 2 lines. In this space, this is where I divide my day between morning, afternoon, and evening. I like to do this for Saturday because Saturday is my most busiest day, where I run a lot of errands and do a lot of to-dos and things around the house. And I like to divide my days so I can keep track of my time. So the last item I need to add on here before I start decorating is the days of the week. So I need to add Friday on the 19th and Sunday on the 21st. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. I am loving it. I like how all the metallics are showing, the little burnt oranges, the metallic greens and yellows and golds and rose gold. Yes, I think I'm liking this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the planner. And that would do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you on the next one. And if you are decorating for the holidays, happy holidays. And if you're not, happy fall. See y'all again. Bye-bye.